This application will pay you instantaneously via a number of various payment methods, including PayPal. It works on both iOS and Android devices and in a variety of places throughout the world. Before we go further to this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And be the first to learn and keep up with new ways to make money online. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys a bunch of different make money online websites and apps that will help you to generate money in a variety of ways. Before I start showing you, I'd like to say a few things. Let's get one thing clear straight away. These websites will not make you wealthy. The websites I'll show you can all earn you money, but they won't pay you thousands of dollars and they won't be able to replace or become your primary source of income. If you're looking for a means to make money online by starting an internet business of some sort, then you might be interested in seeing some of my other videos. Let's get this video started now. The first site I'll show you is the one called Earnably.com. If you visit their site, you'll be able to see right away on their webpage what you can do to receive paid digital rewards and gift cards made easy by performing tasks, viewing videos, and taking surveys. So, as you've just heard, you can get paid in a variety of ways with this platform. And those of you who've been following me for quite a while will know that I prefer watching videos the most because it requires virtually no effort on your part, and more importantly, you don't have to watch them in the first place. You can just leave the video alone and do whatever you want to do, and you will still be paid. However, not everyone agrees with me. For those of you who want to make money online by doing surveys and tasks, go ahead. It will still allow you to make some decent money. Having stated that, one very essential question remains. How will you get paid for your work on this site? If you scroll down, you'll see that they will pay you through PayPal, which is the platform that most of you who are watching this love. If you prefer to be paid with gift cards, that's also not a problem, because as you can see, they have quite a few of them. So, to summarize, this site has a variety of ways for you to get paid. With that said, the last thing worth mentioning about Earnably is the fact that it gets excellent reviews on Trustpilot.com. I wanted to show you these reviews so you could see that this site is 100% legit and not a scam. And these reviews most definitely show that. As you can see, it has a rating of 4.6 stars, which is excellent to say the least, because most sites, even if they're excellent, won't get past a 4-star rating on this platform. So, with that being said, the reviews are extremely positive. You will be able to see more information on the reviews, and we can see that 78% of people rated it as excellent, 13 as great, and only 9 as poor and bad combined, implying that 91% of people love it, and I believe it speaks volumes about how amazing it is. To begin earning money with it, simply go to their main page, click on Sign Up Here, and then enter all of your information to create your account. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. The second app I'll be discussing with you today is this one called Buzzbreak. And I'm now at their official website, buzzbreak.news, where one of the best features of this app is that it works on both iOS and Android. So it doesn't matter what device you have. As you can see from the reviews here, you'll basically be reading articles and watching funny videos to get paid, which is actually pretty cool. Even if reading articles requires a little more concentration on your part than watching videos, it is still a fantastic and relatively simple way to earn money. So, in order to maximize your outcomes, I propose that you both watch the funny videos and read the articles. With that stated, if you go to the Google Play Store, you'll see two things that verify this application is completely legitimate. It has been rated by over 560,000 people, which is a large number. And more importantly, it has an average rating of slightly more than 4 stars from all those people, indicating that not only does it have a good rating, but it comes from thousands of people, implying that there is virtually no doubt about whether or not this app is genuine. As was the case with the first platform, I'd want to show you this so you can see that the applications and websites I'm recommending will truly pay you. The last platform I have for you that will pay you is this one called surveytime.io. And as you can see, you will be paid by completing surveys on this platform. And you can expect to earn up to $1 for every survey. The fact that you can only generate money by completing surveys and that you don't have as many possibilities as with the previous site is a disadvantage. However, the fact that you can earn up to $1 per survey, this platform compensates more for this, as most sites pay significantly less per survey finished, as some of you are aware. How will you get compensated for using this platform? You can see that they accept PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, and Target gift cards right here. So, unlike any of the previous platforms, this one allows you to be paid in cryptocurrency, which is a huge plus. The reviews are something really essential that I want to present to you. Once again, as has been the case throughout this video, this site has fantastic evaluations with a 4.5-star rating and approximately 7,000 reviews, indicating that it is most definitely real and will not attempt to scam you. To begin making a profit with SurveyTime, all you have to do is sign up via Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is always my preferred method because it's so much faster. Or you can sign up via email by entering your email address and then clicking on the Start Now button, then filling out some additional information about yourself to create your brand new account. The last thing to mention about SurveyTime is that it features a fantastic affiliate program. Now, I'm telling you this because advertising this website as an affiliate can actually earn you a lot more money than taking surveys, watching movies, or doing anything else. When you are skilled at it, advertising this platform and a few others as an affiliate can become your major source of income. More importantly though, advertising this site can earn you money in the form of passive income. The fact that it has excellent ratings will be quite useful in persuading people to try it out. And you will be compensated if they do. To join their affiliate program, simply click on Affiliates down here, which will lead you to the page I am currently on, where you will need to provide your email address, full name, and Skype login. Before you can sign up as an affiliate, you must first obtain an affiliate link, which you can then share to generate passive income. And that is all! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. Before you leave, make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up.